If you are serious about growing on YouTube, I want to tell you to go and do this one thing right now. Go and delete YouTube Studio app right now. Probably you might be using this app to track your analytics. I know that this sounds crazy, okay? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you understand why I said that you don't need this app in your phone, especially as a new creator or as a new YouTuber like me, okay? Because this app will actually cause harm to your YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, let's just head straight to the point.
Okay, as you can see right here on my screen, this is the interface of a YouTube studio. You use it to check your watch time and how your videos are performing.
Okay, number one problem is having unhealthy obsession with numbers. Don't get me wrong, okay? What I mean is that maybe you have actually make a video and put it out there, okay, and you are not getting the views as expected. And what I want to tell you as a new YouTuber or somebody that is on YouTube is that whenever you post a video, do not have much expectation on that video. Do not have, okay, let me just wake up within 5 minutes and see that this video has blown up. Let me just wake up and see that I have number of subscribers that you can ever imagine in your mind, okay? Do not just put a video out there with the mind that when you go back and check your YouTube studio, you are going to see more views, you are going to see more subscribers. Girl, that is very, very toxic and it's not good for your mental health, okay? I was once there before. I noticed how many times I've gone there to check my subscribers, and whenever I notice a drop of subscribers on my YouTube channel, I always felt bad. Like, I always felt like the content I'm putting out there is not nice. I always felt like there's something I'm missing out, and this actually affected me. I almost wanted to quit YouTube because of me constantly checking on this app. So if you actually want to grow on YouTube, I would advise you take a break. Taking a break is not the game, okay? I would have advised you go and delete the app right now, because when you go now and check that you have 100 subscribers, if you're under 1k subscribers, they do not have someone will unsubscribe to your YouTube channel and you will not know if you have been checking your analytics frequently, okay? I do check mine like when I started my YouTube channel newly. If you're under 500 subscribers, 900, and you go there and try, notice that you have 500 subscribers, and when you now went down and you now notice that you have 890 subscribers, guy, like, I know how it feels, okay, because every subscribers actually count. But when you now go back to check and you notice that there's a sudden drop in your subscribers, there's a sudden drop in your views, there's a sudden drop in your watch eye, that's because you have been checking this thing consistent, like you have been checking it constantly and you have been so obsessed with numbers, okay? This is actually going to affect you and it might actually make you want to quit YouTube. So that's the number one reason why you actually need to get this app off your phone. You actually want to grow on YouTube, okay? The second reason why you need to delete this app from your phone is how the data on this app can actually mislead you. Okay, let's say for an instant you want to lose weight, okay? So you now go to a scale and you check and you notice that there's a fluctuation. Maybe you check your weight this month and you notice you are 50, then you check next month and you notice that either you are increasing or you are reducing, okay? This might, like, this fluctuation does not actually mean that you are progressing or you are failing. That is the same thing with having YouTube Studio app in your phone. Checking this app constantly on your, like, checking this app constantly, like every day, day in, day out, does not actually mean that you are succeeding or you are failing. That is the same thing with having YouTube Studio app in your phone. Trying to check your analytics, the app every day to know what is going on, the views and everything, it can actually distract you from achieving your bigger goals. So if you know that you actually want to succeed on YouTube and you want to become like one of these big creators on YouTube, you don't need to focus on the numbers of views, the subscribers, and that's the more reason why you need to delete this app on your phone and be focusing on giving value to people instead of you allowing this app to give you some mental stress. Rather, focus on these three things I'm going to mention in this video. Number one is that focus on creating quality content, okay? Focus on creating content that people can actually spend their time and their data watching, and at the end of the day they get something in return, because YouTube algorithm always reward creator for this. When your video will actually start to pick up, you will not even know. It will not only be the views. You have the views, you have the subscribers, you have the watch hours, okay? Just focus on creating quality content. So another thing that you need to focus on is engaging with your audience, okay? This includes the likes, the shares, the comment. Always make sure you reply to their comment. Always make sure you ask questions at the end of your video to make them like interact with you in the comment section, okay? Another thing that you need to focus doing instead of you dwelling on this app is consistency. Consistency is the key, but it doesn't mean that I need to upload video every single day. Your own consistent might be posting 3 times a week, might be posting every day, be posting twice in a month. You know what works for you, okay? So being consistent actually help, okay? I know that some of you might be like, what now happen when I delete YouTube Studio from my phone or from my PC? When you delete YouTube Studio from your phone, it makes you to like focus on creating quality content. It makes you to know that like it will not make you to focus just on numbers. It will make you to focus on bringing value, something that is valuable to people, okay? So let me know in the comment section how often you have been checking your YouTube Studio, and if you have been bold enough to delete it after watching this very particular video. Okay, don't just get me wrong, having YouTube Studio on your phone is one of the best app every YouTuber need to have in order for you to like get to track your analysis. But when it is wrong is when you are too obsessed with the app, with checking your data every day, okay? That is when it's very, very bad, especially as a new creator. That is why it is good for you to like delete it and just focus on creating content, okay? Because you having this app, you try to like compare your video, your previous video, to the one that you just uploaded, is it the views and everything, okay? It will just make you to get distracted, and at the end of the day you might actually want to quit YouTube. That is the reason why I said that you need to delete this app from your phone, okay? So let me just know in the comment section how often you check your YouTube Studio, and if you have been brief enough to delete this app from your phone. So there you have it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, support my channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, maybe I'm one of the first person to get notified. Bye guys, and I'm going to see my next video.